Hello everyone, and in this lecture I will walk you through all the kubectl node commands. So first I will set up the alias k equal to kubectl. Next command, list all nodes in the cluster, and the command will be k get no or the nodes. So no is the short form for the nodes, and this command displays a list of all nodes in your Kubernetes cluster with basic information like name, status, roles, age and version. Use this command when you need to quickly check the status of all nodes or as first step in troubleshooting cluster issues. Next command, display detailed information about all nodes. So the command will be k get no -o wide, and -o wide flag provides more detailed output about nodes including external IP addresses, OS images, kernel versions, container runtime. Use this command when you need additional node infrastructure details without the verbosity of a full description. Okay, next command, get detailed description for a specific node, and the command is k describe no followed by the node name. So once you get get nodes, then you can find the node name and describe the node. This command provides comprehensive information about a specific node, including its conditions, capacity, allocatable resources, system info, and recent events. Use it when troubleshooting node-specific issues or when you need detailed information about a node's current state. Next, check node status and condition. So k get no -o, then followed by custom column names. So this is user-defined name, so you can call whatever you feel like. But then colon followed by the JSON path, so .metadata.name, and you want to, let's say, check out the status.conditions. So this is an array, and .type followed by the condition .status.conditions and the status. So this command displays a custom formatted output showing all node conditions like ready, disk pressure, memory pressure, and their status. Use it to quickly identify problematic conditions on nodes without passing through verbose output during troubleshooting. Next command, list nodes with custom output format, and the command is k get no -o. We will construct a JSON path, and the format is like this: single quotes .items array. So this is an array, so .metadata.name, and second item will be items, status, and capacity. This command uses JSON path expression to extract and format specific piece of information about nodes, outputting node names and their capacity. Use it when scripting or when specific node data is needed for automated processing or monitoring. Next command, display node labels. K get no -- show labels. This command shows all nodes with their associated labels, which are key value pairs used for selection and organization. Use it when you need to understand node classification for scheduling decisions or to verify label-based node organization. Next command, filter nodes by label. So k get no -l kubernetes.io/hostname equal to hostname. And this command filters the list of nodes to show only those with a specific label. Use it when you need to identify and operate on a subset of nodes that share specific characteristics defined by labels. Next command, add a label to a node, and the command is k label no followed by the node name, then environment, which is a key, and the value is production. So this command adds a custom label to a specific node to categorize the node based on purpose, location, hardware specifications, or other attributes. Use it when you need to influence pod scheduling through node affinity rules or node selectors. Remove a label from a node, and command is k label no followed by the node name, environment, this is the key, and then -sign. So just remember, minus means we are removing it, and this command removes the specified label from a node using the -sign suffix. Use it when recategorizing nodes or removing outdated classifications that might affect pod scheduling decisions. Next command, view node resource usage. Command is k top no. So this will show all the nodes top information. This command shows CPU and memory utilization for all nodes in the cluster. and this requires a metric server. Use it to monitor resource consumption at the node level when identifying bottlenecks, planning capacity, or making scaling decisions. Next command, cordon a node, that is to mark as unschedulable. So command is k cordon followed by the node name. This command marks a node as unschedulable, preventing new nodes from being scheduled on it while existing pods continue to run. Use it before performing node maintenance as the first step in controlled decommissioning process. Next command, uncordon a node. So the command is k uncordon followed by the node name. This command marks a previously cordoned node as schedulable again, and that allows new pods to be scheduled on it. Use it after the node maintenance is completed to bring the node back into active service. Next command, drain a node. So the command is k drain followed by the node name -- ignore daemon sets. So this command safely evicts all pods from a node except daemon set pods and marks it as unschedulable. Use it when you need to take a node out of service entirely for maintenance or decommissioning. Next command, drain a node with force option. So the command will be k drain node name -- force ignore daemon sets. -- force flag allows the drain operation to proceed even with pods not managed by controllers, which will be permanently deleted. Use this with caution in emergency situations or only when standalone pods can be safely terminated. Next command, drain a node with a timeout. So k drain followed by the node name -- timeout. So I am giving 5 minutes -- ignore daemon sets. So this command sets a specific timeout for the drain operation, causing it to fail if not completed within the specified time. Use it during planned maintenance windows to ensure operations don't stall indefinitely. Next command, get node with specific fields. So the command is k get nodes -o for the output, and I'm giving custom columns. So name is a user friendly name followed by the JSON path .metadata.name and the teens. So that is under .spec.teens, and the last column is unschedulable and going to .spec.unschedulable. This command provides a custom column output focusing on node schedulability and taints. Use it to quickly understand which nodes have scheduling restrictions and to troubleshoot pod scheduling issues. Next command, add a taint to a node. So k taint node followed by the node name, key, value, and no schedule. So this command adds a taint to a node with the effect no schedule, preventing pods without matching tolerations from being scheduled. Use it to reserve nodes for specific workloads or to prevent general workloads during maintenance. Next command, remove a taint from a node. So the command is k taint followed by keyword no, a node, and node name and the key, and this is the key value pair, right? So we are saying no schedule and minus sign. So this command removes the specified taint from a node using the minus sign suffix. Use it to restore general scheduling capabilities to a previously tainted node, which allows more pods to be scheduled. Next command, display node allocatable resources. So the command is k get no followed by the node name and -o output, JSON path, single quotes, and we have a curly braces .status allocatable. And this command shows the resources that are actually allocatable to pods on a specific node, accounting for system and Kubernetes reserved resources. Use it for proper capacity planning and when debugging resource constraint issues, as it represents the true scheduling capacity. Next command, get nodes with ready status. So k get no -o JSON path. Then I am constructing the JSON path .items, and there is a question mark. So this is a bit advanced command, but you can get this same using the k describe also. So items question mark add status conditions. So we are basically querying this add type ready and status is equal to true and the metadata name. So this command lists only nodes that are in the ready state, meaning they can accept and run pods. It is useful for scripting or automation where you need to target only healthy nodes. This approach can be part of health checking routines or for targeting operations specifically to nodes that are currently operational. Next command, get nodes that are not ready. So similar command, JSON path, and we are doing a query on JSON path. So we are looking for status equal to conditions and type equal to ready and status not true. So this command identifies nodes that are not in the ready state, highlighting potential issues in the cluster. These nodes might be starting up, shutting down, or experiencing problems. Quick identification of not ready nodes is crucial for troubleshooting cluster health issues and for understanding cluster capacity. So this may be useful for you for the real world projects, and you can do some kind of automation based on this. Next command, watch node status changes. So get nodes -- watch. The -- watch flag continuously monitors and displays node status changes in real time. Use this during maintenance, scaling events, or when troubleshooting node issues to see immediate feedback as conditions change. Next command, list nodes by role. So get nodes -l node-role.kubernetes.io control plane equal to. So we are just looking for this particular tag, and this command filters and displays only the control plane nodes in your cluster. Identifying these nodes is important for maintenance planning, ensuring high availability and addressing specific security requirements. Next command, filter pods running on a specific node. So the command is get pods -A for all namespace, and we are doing a field selector, and based on this particular tag or the key, spec.node name followed by the node name, actual node name. So you can get this node name by get nodes, and this command lists all pods across all namespaces that are scheduled on a specific node. Use it when planning node maintenance or investigating node performance issues to understand which workloads will be affected. Next command, check system pods on a node. So get pods -n for the namespace name. So kube system is the default system namespace. Then we are doing a field selector on this value spec.node name followed by the actual node name. This command lists system pods running on a specific node in the kube system namespace. Use it when troubleshooting critical cluster services or assessing the impact of node failures on core Kubernetes components. Next command, drain node with a pod grace period. So the command is drain followed by the node name -- grace period equal to 60 seconds. Ignore daemon sets. This command evicts pod from a node with a specific grace period in seconds before termination. Use it for stateful applications that need time to fetch data to disk or complete in-progress transactions before shutdown. Next command, evict a specific pod from a node. So -- namespace, whichever namespace you are working on, delete pod name, and we are giving a grace period of 300 seconds. This command manually evicts a specific pod from a node with a defined grace period to allow graceful shutdown. Use it to target individual problematic pods without affecting other workloads on the node while preserving data integrity. List all node taints in the cluster. The command is get nodes -o output custom columns. Column name, first I am calling it name.metadata and then followed by another column taints and spec.taints. This command displays all nodes with their configured taints that affect pod scheduling. Use it for troubleshooting scheduling issues or understanding why certain pods are not being placed on a particular node. Add multiple taints to a node. taint node followed by the node name and a key value and additional properties like no schedule. And we are adding one more taint, no execute. So there are two types of property. This command adds multiple taints to a node in a single operation with different effects. So these effects are no schedule and no execute. Use it for sophisticated workload placement strategies where you need to control both initial scheduling and runtime behavior of pods on specific nodes. Get node CPU and memory usage with sort. So K top node sort by CPU. This command displays CPU and memory usage for all nodes sorted by CPU consumption. Use it to quickly identify the most resource intensive nodes for performance troubleshooting, capacity planning, or detecting potential bottlenecks. Check if a node can schedule pods. K get no followed by the node name dash output dash o JSON path, and we are going traversing to .spec.unschedulable. This command checks if a specific node is marked as unschedulable or cordoned, returning true if cordoned or empty /false if schedulable. Use it for quick verification of a node's scheduling status in scripts and automation tasks. And that's all. Thanks for watching.